Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to clear cache in laptop. If your system or laptop isn't working the right way it's supposed to be, or it gets hanged and you want to clear the cache, then in this video, I'll show you how it can be possible. So first you have to go to the desktop, and in the search section you have to search for disk cleanup, and then you have to select which disk you would like to clean and click on OK. And this window will come up. And after that, all files will be there. You have to select the files from which you would like to clear up the cache. Once you have selected, click on this option for clean up windows. And after that, you will again see your disk. You can keep the save and click on OK. And this process will start. This will take around 2 to 3 minutes or maybe less, and then cache will get clear up. Then it will show you again the files. Now you can select the files from which you want to delete the data. Like if you know there's a file that has a lot of junk files or unnecessary data, you can select that file, and then you can clear out all the stuff from it and click on OK. And after that it will show you like the data will get deleted. If you're OK, click on that option, and then the data from that file will get deleted. And that's how you will be able to clear the cache from your PC or laptop. So I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment, and if you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.